Dear students, in this video you are going to learn about polygons. Let us see what are polygons. See here, look at the figures I am drawing. Observe the number of line segments and number of vertices in the figures I am drawing. These are the figures made up of line segments. And line segments do not intersect. Look at the second set of figures. Here the lines are intersecting. And the third figure is not closed in the second set. Observe the difference between the first set of figures that are on the left side and the second set of figures there on the right side. In the first set, we have all closed figures and they are made of line segments, and they are simple because lines are not intersecting. In the second set, lines are intersecting, and in the third figure, it is not closed. If the lines are intersecting, then they are not simple figures. And third one in the second set is not a closed figure. The figures which are there on the first set are called polygons, and in the second set they are not polygons. So what do you mean by polygons? Polygons are simple closed curves made up of line segments. Simple closed curve made up of line segments is called a polygon. Now let us see about the classification of polygons, how the polygons are classified based on the number of sides or the number of vertices. You learnt about identifying sides and vertices. Now let us draw polygons with different number of sides. Now this is a polygon having how many sides? 3 sides, and there are 3 vertices. And there are 3 angles. This is called a triangle. Tri means 3, 3 angles, so triangle. Now let us draw a polygon having 4 sides. It is a polygon having 4 sides. It is called quadrilateral. Having 4 sides, so called quadrilateral. Now let us draw a closed figure having 5 line segments. This is a figure having 5 line segments. It is called pentagon. Now draw a polygon having 6 sides made of 6 line segments. You can draw any way. It should have 6 line segments. It is called hexagon. Now polygon having 7 sides is called heptagon. Now polygon having 8 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. It is a polygon having 8 sides is called octagon. Now draw a closed figure made of 9 line segments. You can draw in any shape, but it should have 9 line segments. It is called nonagon. Now draw a polygon having 10 sides. It is called decagon. These are the classification of polygons based on their sides or number of vertices. There are many more polygons having 11 sides, 12 sides, 13 sides, 14 sides and so on. It is having different name based on their number of sides. Now write their name here. Polygon having 3 sides is called triangle. Polygon having 4 sides is called quadrilateral. Polygon having 5 sides is called pentagon. Polygon having 6 sides is called hexagon. Polygon having 7 sides is called heptagon. Polygon having 8 sides is called octagon. Polygon having 9 sides is called nonagon. And 10 sides is called decagon. Polygon having n sides is called n-gon. This is about classification of polygons. Now let us see about what are diagonals. Now draw a polygon. Now this is a polygon having 4 sides. It is called quadrilateral. Now name the vertices. A, B, C and D are the vertices of quadrilateral. Now here for vertex A, D and B are consecutive vertices, and for vertex A, C is the non-consecutive vertex, that is non-adjacent vertex. The line joining two non-consecutive vertices is called a diagonal. Now here AC is a diagonal. Now for vertex B, A is consecutive, which comes after B, and C is also consecutive vertex, but D is non-consecutive vertex. Therefore BD is a diagonal. Line joining non-consecutive vertices is called a diagonal. Here in quadrilateral we have two diagonals, AC and BD. Now draw one more polygon and draw its diagonals. It is a polygon having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Now draw diagonals. First name its vertices. Vertex A, then B, C, D, E, F, having 6 vertices. So it is a hexagon. Now draw its diagonals. Now for vertex A, F and B are the consecutive vertices. So for A, E, D and C are non-consecutive vertices. Now if I draw a line from A to C, then AD, then AE, these are the diagonals. Now from B, A and C are consecutive vertices. For B, F, E, D are non-consecutive vertices. Now draw diagonals. BF, BE and BD are non-consecutive vertices. So BF, BE and BD are diagonals. Now from C we have drawn a diagonal, that is AC. Now other two vertices are F and E. Now CF and CE are diagonals. Now from D, DB and DA we have already drew diagonals. So DF is a diagonal. So these many diagonals we have in hexagon. The line joining non-consecutive vertices of a polygon is called diagonal. You can draw any other polygon and draw its diagonals. The line joining the non-consecutive vertices of a polygon are called diagonals. Now let us see about interior of a polygon and exterior of a polygon. It is a polygon having 6 sides. What is the interior of a polygon and exterior of a polygon? Now, the region inside the polygon is called interior of the polygon, and the region outside the polygon is called exterior of a polygon. Interior of a polygon has a boundary, but exterior of a polygon has no boundary. Exterior of a polygon has no boundary, but interior of a polygon has a boundary. Now let us see about convex and concave polygons. Look at this figure. And look at this figure. The first one is a convex polygon and second one is a concave polygon. What is the difference between convex and concave polygon? What difference do you observe? Look at the angles of a polygon. Look at the angles in a convex polygon. Look at the interior angles of a polygon in the first figure. Look at the interior angles. Angle DAB, angle ABC, angle BCD and angle CDA are interior angles of a polygon. In the second figure, angle DAB, angle DCB, angle ADC and angle ABC are interior angles of a polygon. See, in the first figure, all the interior angles are less than 180 degree. But in a second figure, in a concave polygon, one angle is more than 180 degree. That is, angle DCB is more than 180 degree. And one more thing you can observe. In the first figure, all the diagonals are inside the polygon. But in the second figure, that is concave polygon, one diagonal will come outside the polygon. So these are convex and concave polygons. Polygons having all the interior angles less than 180 degree are called convex polygons. Interior angles less than 180 degree are called convex polygons, and polygons not having all interior angles less than 180 degree are called concave polygons. And in concave polygons, one or more diagonals will come outside the polygon, diagonals on the exterior of the polygon. But in convex polygon, all the diagonals inside the polygon. So this is about convex and concave polygons. Now see about regular polygons and irregular polygons. What do you mean by regular and irregular polygons? Now it is a hexagon. In this, all sides are equal. Now this is a square. In the square also all sides are equal and all angles are equal. These are regular polygons. Polygons having all sides equal and all angles equal are called regular polygons. The equal sides in a regular polygon is represented by this symbol. See, by drawing a small line on the side. This represents the sides are equal. We represent equal sides by drawing a small line on the sides. That means sides are equal. These are called regular polygons. Now, what do you mean by irregular polygons? The polygons which are not equilateral or equiangular are called irregular polygons. Square is a regular polygon. This is a irregular polygon in which all the sides are not equal and all the angles are not equal. it is a rectangle. Rectangle also irregular polygon. Now this is a rhombus. It is also irregular polygon. In rhombus, all sides are equal but all angles are not equal. Therefore, it is irregular polygon. In rectangle, all angles are equal but all sides are not equal. Only opposite sides are equal. In rectangle, all angles are equal but sides are not equal. Therefore, it is irregular polygon. In rhombus, all sides are equal but all angles are not equal. Therefore, it is irregular polygon. Polygons which are equilateral and equiangular are called regular polygons.